all, come first. Before creating this chatbot, I'm going to show you the proper working of this chatbot. Let's say I'm going to type hey on WhatsApp and I'm going to send this hey. And once I send this hey, within seconds and in real time, my chatbot is going to reply me. You're going to see it as saying, hello, how can I assist you today? So let's say I'm going to ask my question. I'm exploring call center services. Can you tell me how to track the call performance? So yes, you can see within seconds and in real time it is replying me, and it is giving me the option to track the call performance. Let's say I'm going to ask another question. Can you handle international calls? And within seconds it is going to reply for this too, and you're going to see it is replying me. So yes, you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows so much about my business. It is answering so accurately because I have created a knowledge base and I have uploaded this knowledge base, and using this knowledge base only this AI chatbot is replying me. So yes, you can see within seconds and in real time it is replying me and solving all my queries. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI assistant which we have created already. And in this video I'll show you how you can also create this for your own call center business. So watch this video till the end and learn how to create this. So now let's see how we can create this AI chatbot. So if you are an existing user, directly log in inside Pabbly Chatflow. From the left end of the site, come on this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and come on this AI assistant. But you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow before starting creating this chatbot. And how you can add your WhatsApp number, for that we have attached a video tutorial in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. Once you add your WhatsApp number, follow me. So come on this AI assistant, and first it is asking me for the instruction type. So select the instruction type. If you wish, you can select it as custom prompt and give a custom prompt which can be unique to your business. But to help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and much more. So you can select anyone from this too. I'm going to select it as AI agent over here, and the instructions will be added automatically. I don't have to edit or change these instructions now. I can directly move on further. But if you wish, you can definitely add or delete some points according to your own business needs. After this instructions is this temperature, so you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep it as 0.3 because I want more focused answers. Now it is asking me to select the AI to use, so I'm going to select it as OpenAI, and then for the model I'm going to keep it as GPT-4o Mini. If you wish, you can definitely select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key, so to get this API key, open your OpenAI API keys page. After opening this page, in the top right corner you're going to get the option of create new secret key. After you click on this button, enter your key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so copy this key and paste it right over here in this API key section and click on this connect. Now you can see the API key has been connected. Now it is asking me for the assistant settings. So we have multiple settings. First is this header and footer message. So if you wish, you can definitely add a header or a footer message like this. The maximum characters are up to 60. The next which we have is the stop keyword. So you can enter some keywords to stop the AI assistant. What is going to happen is that whenever your user is going to type this keyword, the AI assistant is not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed to take that chat back again towards the AI assistant. And how you can add this keyword, so you have to type the keyword like this and then press enter to add the keyword. It is really important that you type the keyword and then press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. Now the next is this retry attempts. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant key fails to respond. You can keep the retry attempts between 1 to 10, it depends upon you. Now we have this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your company's support email address in this fallback message, so that if a user has some emergency and their query is not resolved through AI assistant, they can contact you on Gmail. And now after this, we have successfully completed this AI instructions. Let's go towards this knowledge source. So like I showed you in the starting of this video that the AI assistant was replying so accurately, and I told you it is replying me so accurately using the knowledge source, and how we can create and add this knowledge source. source. So first of all, you have to open a blank Google document, and in that blank Google document, include the knowledge unique to your business, include the company background, FAQs, and much more you think will help the chatbot to reply to user queries. So as you can see that I've opened a blank Google document and enter the knowledge unique to my business in this Google document. Now after this, you have to go to this file download and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both the formats are supported. I'll suggest you go for TXT format, because for TXT we don't have any page limits, but for PDF we don't have any page limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it totally depends upon you. I'll suggest you go for TXT. So I've downloaded this knowledge base in TXT format. So let's upload it. For that we have to go towards this choose a file. Then I'm going to go towards this download section and upload my knowledge source. As you can see that we have successfully uploaded this knowledge source. After uploading this knowledge source, go towards this assistant interface. It is asking me for the heading. So as you can see that this is the name of my brand. So I'm going to keep this as the heading. Once I change it over here, it is going to change right over here too. Now for the subheading, if you wish, you can definitely edit the subheading too. It totally depends upon you. For the initial message, you can add up to 2 initial message. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add it. Now if you want to display the powered by Pabbly label, keep it as enable. Otherwise you can disable it right from here. For the footer text, you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. If you add the footer link, the text will convert into a link and look like this. But if you don't add the link, it will remain as plain text, as you can see like this. Alright, now we have this user's first message. So this message will be sent as the initial message on WhatsApp from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey. You can customize this according to your own business needs. Now we have this styling. So you can style this AI chatbot according to your own choice. You can change the theme, you can change the shape and make this look like you want. Also you can change the text colors, profile images and background picture too. Now with this, we have successfully created this AI chatbot. So let's save it. For that, you have to switch on this toggle button and click on this Save AI Assistant. So yes, you can see that we have successfully saved this AI assistant. But how are we going to use it for our business? For that, you have to go towards this embedded and you're going to get this script. So copy and paste this script on your website and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever any user is going to click on this Start Chat button, they will be redirected on WhatsApp and this initial message will be sent from that user to you on WhatsApp. And once you receive this message, your AI chatbot is going to get activated and reply to your user on WhatsApp. And yes, this is very easy. And let's say you want to assign this AI assistant to a particular contact, then you can go towards this inbox section from the left hand of the side and you can assign this AI assistant. You have to go towards this choose AI assistant and you can assign this AI assistant like this to a particular contact. Not only this, if you wish to assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, go on this settings, then inbox settings. Once you come on this inbox settings, you have to scroll and go towards this enable AI auto replies. Now you can select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to this contact list. Now whenever any contact from this list is going to message, this AI assistant is going to solve their query. You just have to click on this save button right over here to save this. Now if you want to learn how to create a contact list, go on this contact section and from here you can create the contact list. If you want to learn about contact section or any another section of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all the features of Pabbly Chatflow has been attached in the description box. You can check it out and learn about Pabbly Chatflow more. With this, we have successfully completed our chatbot for call center business. So yes, now go try this amazing chatbot for your own call center business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.